So we have hands here that have some atrophy, some fat loss, and prepping them well with alcohol. We'll be doing more of that. And now I'm going to shine a light on the area and basically mark the most depressed spots so we know where to focus. Basically, we don't like removing veins from the back of the hand. They're good, they're important. But by adding the volume, it really makes them look less prominent. It's really a different technique than filling of other areas. We sort of pop a little bit in and then mush it around, and it all works very well. So we pop it through the skin, lift up a bleb, and then we're going to massage it. Pop through the skin, lift a bleb, massage. So let's do these first. You can see how you can push the ball around a little bit, get it where you want it. Here. Share the wealth here.